Well, y'all had a few comments about why don't you show an install on how easy it is to install one of these door locks from the TikTok shop. So this is the automated door lock. That's the name of the company right there. We love this thing. We have 2 doors on our camper. We have one up there. I'm about to install a second one right here. The good thing about this one is if you use the key fob and keep it on your keychain, you can program this key fob to work both doors. Already backed off some screws right here. So to install this lock, it's very simple. You take off the old door lock first. They send you with all new strike plates, all that stuff. Pop those screws out, and that's it. That doorknob, that door latch is out. Now it's time to install your new one. So very simple. This is the outside. So you're going to disconnect the wire right here. Unplugs like that. Don't get the wire caught in the door and it might go in just a little bit easier. Sits in there like that. This is your inside. Just make sure you got it upright correctly the way it goes. And plug your little wire back in. And you heard a beep. Gonna line up our latch. And y'all, I mean, it is literally this simple. It doesn't take but a few minutes, and if I had an extra hand, that would probably be better, just to like hold this in while I'm trying to tuck the wire in, but no big deal. I'm still gonna get it. And all I gotta do is put the little screws back in, line it up. They send you the little Torx head screwdriver, all that. Once you get one of them started, you're good to go. And then from there, it's a matter of following the little quick install guide and programming your remotes. It's no big deal, y'all, I promise you. It's very, very simple. You just replace this little strike latch on the end. That's just a couple screws. You get it all lined up, and we love this thing. You can come up to it, punch in your code, open your door. You can just simply hit one button and it locks the door for you. But it does give you a low battery alert. If it was to give you your batteries were to get low, the only plastic parts is this cover out here on the outside. The batteries go in right here, so they're accessed from the inside. One little Phillips screw. Your latch works right here from the outside, and all you need to do now is program your remotes, and this is what it looks like. And like I said, if you have multiple doors on your camper, this one comes with the key fobs that can control 2 doors. So